Welcome to our channel, dedicated to transforming your fitness journey. Today, we delve into a popular question. How many days a week should you run? Is daily running a fast track to incredible progress? Or does it pave the road to burnout and injuries? Stay tuned as we unravel what happens to your body when you run every day. Make sure to watch till the end for a comprehensive understanding that could reshape your running regimen. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fitness insights. Let's get started. Running fundamentals for beginners. For those new to running, embracing the journey requires a balanced approach, not merely clocking endless miles. A common misconception suggests rapid improvement comes from frequent running. However, beginners often lack the necessary strength, mobility, and endurance, making daily runs more harmful than beneficial. Running at its core involves repetitive movements, placing significant demands on your musculoskeletal system, leading to joint shock and muscle tension. Beginners should focus on a holistic training regimen, blending running with strength training, mobility exercises, and technique refinement, peppered with essential rest days. This balanced approach fosters overall development, aiding your body in adjusting to increased demands. Optimal running schedule. What's the ideal weekly running schedule? For novices, running every other day strikes the perfect balance. This equates to 3 or 4 sessions a week, interspersed with cross-training or rest. Ensure one day is reserved for complete rest, devoid of any physical exertion. This tailored schedule mitigates injury risk, enhances recovery, and prevents the potential burnout associated with daily running routines. By alternating between running and non-running days, you gradually acclimate to the new physical demands, fostering a sustainable and enjoyable running journey. The daily running debate. But what about running every day? Many seasoned athletes adhere to daily training, balancing intensive workouts with low-intensity sessions to maintain form and facilitate recovery. In the realm of elite runners, daily training garners benefits like enhanced muscle and core strength, improved oxygen delivery, better balance, and fortified bone and joint health. These benefits contribute to overall performance and disease prevention. Yet, it's imperative to note that these athletes' routines predominantly reside in the low-intensity zone, focusing on recovery and foundational conditioning. The impact of daily running. Daily running, when executed properly, strengthens the legs, core, and cardiovascular system. However, the path is fraught with potential pitfalls. Excessive intensity or poorly structured plans can stall progress, escalate injury risk, and trigger overtraining syndrome, marked by persistent fatigue, disrupted sleep, and plummeting motivation. Remember, rest isn't just a luxury, it's an integral component of a well-rounded training regimen, essential for beginners and professionals alike. Balancing exertion with adequate recovery ensures sustainable progress and shields your body from the adverse effects of overtraining. While the allure of daily running is strong, embracing a balanced, varied training schedule offers the most benefits, especially for beginners. Integrating rest days and cross-training not only bolsters your physical resilience, but also keeps your running journey fresh and enjoyable. Remember, running is a marathon, not a sprint. Building up gradually will lead to lasting success and well-being. For those considering daily runs, proceed with caution. Tailor your intensity and volume to your experience level. Listen to your body, and prioritize recovery. Whether you choose to run 3 times a week or every day, ensure your regimen supports your health and aligns with your fitness goals. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Dive deeper into your fitness journey with our other videos, linked on the screen now. Embrace the journey, respect your body's limits, and transform running from a routine into a rewarding journey of self-discovery. See you on the track. And remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you.